Hello everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today's video is a short review. I want to review this website, lovescape.com. So this website is an online chat platform where you can chat with AI bots, AI girlfriend or AI boyfriend. So let me show you how it looks like. Of course, you can use this website. Just type in the search box lovescape.com. Go to this website, create your account, and start chatting with AI bots. Well, this is how the website looks like. So you can select the necessary AI chatbot. You can filter them. For example, select only girls chatbots, only guys chatbots, or anime chatbots. By the way, there are a few more buttons, so you can filter more precisely. But now let me show you how to create an account in this website. So firstly, just click on this button at the top right and click on sign up. So here you can sign up with your Google account, with your X and Discord, or just type your username, create a password, and click on join for free. I will select the first way, continue with Google. Then you need to click on continue, and then you will see this window. So type here your username, for example, how to PC in our case. Click on join Lovescape. So on the left side, you can see the menu, so discover page, categories, gallery, generate media, chats, characters, premium, and create new. There are a lot of interesting tabs, so let's get started with the first one, discover. Here you can find a lot of interesting chatbots. The next page is categories, so here you can select the necessary category of AI chatbots. Gallery, here you can generate your own media. So this is a tool which you can use for generating images or also video. Well, all you need to do is just describe the picture you would like to get. For example, you can select the necessary outfit, action, location, and so on, and then just type here the necessary prompt. After that, you can click on generate image, but be careful, it will cost 9 coins. Yep, and here is the result. So the image is pretty good. As you can see, I have selected the walking action, boho dress, and the location is beach, and here's how it looks like. So let's move to the next step. The next step is chats. Here you can find all your chats with AI chatbots. You can add to favorite some chats if you would like to do it. And the last step is characters. Here you will see all your characters. So let me show you how the chats looks like. So let's select this girl, for example. There is also a short AI video with this AI girlfriend. And now you can start chatting with her. For example, type here something. My name is Tina, and yours? I know we've been studying together all semester, but I'm terrible at remembering names. By the way, you also can listen to the audio message. Just click on this button.
I know we've been studying together all semester, but...
So the website is pretty interesting. I really can recommend it because you can chat with AI chatbots absolutely for free, but for some features you have to pay, for example for generation. But anyway, it's really interesting. So hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.